with you, I am now your mate? Remember, I have gotten this firm breast before yours. Anyways, let me forgive you this time. Next time, you won't be this lucky.
Look who is forgiving someone. Don't you know that I'm the princess of this kingdom? So do not expect me to worship you. After all, my father did not chase my mother away the way he banished your useless mother.
Whose mother was banished? And how dare you talk about my mother like that? You little rat! That should teach you to respect your elders. I'll be waiting for you and your mother.
Did you just slap me?
Do you want another one? Silly little girl.
Listen, father must hear this. I will tell father what you did.
You can tell it to the gods if you want to.
I know you're jealous of me, but not in this kingdom. Just wait for me. She slapped me. Ah! Father! Nana! 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 Nana, come here. What is this that you just did to my daughter? Nana.
She was insulting my mother. And even used the word useless on her. So I had to teach her a lesson.
So you have grown so big to the extent of you laying your coarse hand on my daughter's face. Hey, Nana, listen to me. I will not say much until the king returns. I will make sure I deal with you in this palace. You cursed fool. Let's go.
Is that all that happened?
Yes, that's all. I wonder how a small girl like Uloma will be raising her shoulders in this palace. She speaks to me anyhow, and even had the guts, the effrontery, to talk about my mother like that.
You see, Nina, I won't say you did the wrong thing by slapping her. Of course, she's your younger sister. But please, next time, control your anger.
You know I don't get angry often. But when I do, I always do something I regret later.
It's alright. Is the king back?
I don't know.
I'll see you later.
And I won't ask you this again. Did you beat Uloma?
Father, are you supporting Uloma? She insulted my mother right in front of me. She even insulted me, her elder sister.
And you slapped her? Isn't it?
Yes, Father, I did. Well, don't I have the right to scold my little sister when she crosses her boundary?
And what rights have you on my daughter?
Shut up, woman. Haven't I warned you not to mention your mother in my palace as long as you wish to remain here?
But Father, she is my mother. And not when a little girl like Uloma will open her mouth to insult my mother. I can't look away from anyone calling her names.
Oh, what? I have grown so terribly stupid.
Father.
Guard!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Strip her of this place. Henceforth, you've ceased to be addressed as a princess.
But Father, you know this was not my fault.
I don't want to see maidens anymore in my palace. Leave my palace. All of you. Leave. I said leave. Leave my palace. You will do all the works meant for the maidens.
Take off the sauce. Remove it.
What are you waiting for? Strip her off.
This is how we just lost our job because of Nena. I always know that that girl is a witch. Just imagine what just happened in the palace.
And what happened? What? Don't just call an innocent girl in this matter. She do. Oh, have you not noticed that Uloma is the witch? How can she be insulting Nena just because her mother is not living in the palace? Are you not seeing the insults? Are you not seeing it?
That Uloma deserves to be handed beside the bush. Her mother always supports her and twists the whole story so that the king will punish Nena. I'm not just happy for this.
Nena is a nice girl with a wonderful character. The gods should send one fine man to come and marry her out of the palace. Now, the father has removed her princess status and asked us to leave so that the young maiden will suffer in the palace. I'm not just happy. I'm not.
I never knew Loma was the problem. Let them stay in the palace. Whoever that comes for the child carrying and the child dies, what will happen?
Bianwab, who owes that question?
All of us. Please, let's go and pack our things and leave this palace before His Majesty will bless our cheeks with double slaps.
It's only you that she will bless with the double slapper.
Hey. Okay, now no problem. Yeah, I'm going.
Let's pack up.
You're not going. Let us stay there now.
Papa, please go to the palace and tell the king to leave my friend Nena alone. Is she the only one whose mother has left the father? Papa, do you know that the king beat her up? Yes, and she has been crying since then.
What did she do? Anyway, mind you, Nenaya is still a young maiden like you. If she didn't sit properly, she should be corrected on how to sit very well.
Papa, she did nothing. She did nothing. I was just with her, and she told me that Uloma was insulting her, calling her mother all sorts of names, and she beat her up. Only for the king to come back and did his worst by asking the guards to remove her beads. Yes! Telling her that she no longer has the right to parade herself as the princess in this community.
No.
Papa, is that fair?
Nkeshinyere, mind your tongue.
Papa, I am telling you what is happening now. You are telling me to mind my tongue. Okay, let me shock you. Do you know that the Igwe has dismissed all the maidens in the palace? Yes! And gave an order that henceforth, Nena should be the servant in the palace. Do you know that? Oh, so you don't know that?
No. That cannot happen. I will go and find out whether it is true or not.
Papa, please go and find out. Maybe I did not hear correctly. But please, beg the Igwe that he should leave my friend alone. Please! It's not her fault! Chimo.
Nkechi.
Nena. Has he gotten to this?
What?
So even the guards cannot fetch water in the palace. Hey, I hate your father. I hate him because he's a wicked man. Look Look at what he is doing to his first blood. His own daughter. I wish I was his daughter, so I can show him how to be stubborn. How can he allow that little rat to be parading herself as the princess? And you'll be the one fetching water for them.
My sister, what do you want me to do? I am all alone in the house. They have all ganged up against me, including Ikena. Father says I want to bring in my mother's wickedness into the palace. But the gods are watching.
Nena, do you know what the problem is? You are too soft for my liking. React in the palace. Show some stubbornness. The king will not kill you. Yes. He will only rant and sit back in his throne.
Do not dare, my father. Listen, he has a lion heart. Let me see if he will change his mind and call back the maidens. Perhaps. He just wants me to suffer for a while.
Is that what you think? For a while? It's alright. Let's see how this your for a while will last.
Nkechi, you won't understand. I'm used to all this by now. It's...
Give it to me.
What are you doing?
Do you want to fetch the water? Give me, let's go. Never seen a wicked man like that.
That's why you are my sister.
Minna, we'll see much later. I'll come to the palace.
I'll be happy if you do.
I will. What are friends for? Take care, huh?
Alright, Dad. See you later.
Alright, be careful.
Bye.
Bye.
And thank you.
You're welcome.
My princess, good afternoon.
How are you?
My princess. My princess, let me help you.
No.
My princess, let me help you.
It's fine. Besides, I'm close to the palace now.
Let me help you.
It's okay. Take care of yourself.
Okay, my princess.
So, this thing is true. The Igwe turned his own daughter into a maid in the palace.
Ikari, the king did not try at all.
Aye.
He did not try at all. I never knew the king could do such a thing to his own daughter. Look at this innocent girl. What is her sin? Eh? I just wish I had money. I would have just gone straight and asked for the marriage.
Makes no meaning. Because I heard that she's no longer the princess of our land.
How?
Her father said she is not. Or do you want to go and ask the king why he made such decision? Huh?
Do you think I'm a friend of the king? I am not afraid of the Igwe. I can go and ask him. Or you think I'm a lily-livered man?
You are my friend.
See, Iked, let me tell you, I made the greatest mistake of my life.
Which is?
I should have collected that water from that girl and take it home. That's what I should have done.
So what stops you?
Let me tell you, Iked. There are some beautiful girls that are not even supposed to wash their clothes. I'm telling you.
Udoji, you have not made any meaning. This thing you just said now is still not making meaning. What do you really mean?
By the time I go to the Igwe's house, as the got to be, then you will understand me better.
Do you know why I like you? You are a dreamer. You like dreaming a lot. So as you are now, you just march and go to the palace and tell the king that
me hungry.
I want to marry your daughter. Look at a poor man like you.
You can leave that one. You don't measure a man's this thing by his pocket.
Let's go to my house.
I have the heart to go to Igwe's house.
You don't have, you are hungry.
And when I get
Did you not see her? You have big eyes. Igwe in-law. Let me call you in-law in advance. You can Igwe
in-law. I knew it. Me, I know I will find the two of you here doing nothing as usual. Udochi, or what is that your name? Can you tell me why you have been dodging my father after he paid you to come work on our parcel of land?
What is the meaning of that?
It simply means you are a very, very lazy young man. Eh? Yes! You're very lazy. Any hardworking young man would have finished cultivating that land a long time ago. But what do you do instead? You roam around the entire village with this very lazy fellow like yourself. Huh? Birds of the same feathers, the same flocks together.
Wait. I don't know your name. Wait. Hey. What is that your name, Mama?
Yes.
Ma. Now let me tell you. We are now mates, Abi. If I slap you, you will go there and take one of your ears. Did you hear me?
Wait.
Did you give me any money to cultivate any land?
Did you just call me lazy?
Don't talk to me, oh. Don't talk to me because I'm not done with him yet.
Look at this thing, oh.
I did not give you any money. You took my father's hard-earned money and you don't want to do the job you were assigned to and you want me to watch the way I talk. Anyways.
Wait.
Hard-earned money.
Is that land your land?
It's my father's land, not my land.
Do you have a land?
Ikedi, you know I was not even ready to talk to you. You're just looking for my trouble and I'm not afraid of you.
But you call me lazy?
Yes, now.
Do you want me to show you what a lazy man can do to you?
I am still trying I am still trying to understand this. I am still trying to...
No, seriously, I'm still thinking about it.
I know you will not believe me when I tell you. Let's see the way
Are you serious?
I wish I were there. Hey! My sister.
Yeah, Nena. My mother said, you should serve her a cup of water.
And what happened to your hands?
What's the meaning of that?
Listen, you think because father is supporting you, I am now your mate, eh? Don't worry. I will still deal with you later.
Cheli. Biauloma. So you don't have respect for your elder sister. You even made the king to take away her status. Uloma. It's not good though. Bear it in mind that the gods are watching.
My friend, will you shut up? Shut them out! Your own is a piece of cake. Because I will ask my father's guards to throw you out of this place.
Hey! Hey! Chimo. Chulu. Uloma, are you talking to me like that? No, am I the person you are talking to? Hey! Nkechi, you have suffered. This rat is talking to you like this because she is privileged to be born in the palace. Uloma, I am not your sister. If Nena can take it from you, I will not take it from you.
You called me, Her Majesty, a rat?
Yes, you are a rat. What will you do about it? Enough! It's because you're tolerating this thing from this girl. That is why she's talking to you the way she likes. What is the problem? No, tell her not to try it with me. Because I will beat her. Nothing will happen. What is it now?
Is this the food I was insulting you?
Yes, this thing.
Your Majesty, with all due respect, I am not a fool. I'm a maiden in this community, a bona fide one at that. I am not a slave. As a matter of fact, I'm the Ono's daughter. Your Majesty, your daughter here lacks manners, and I will not take it from her if she insults me. And I don't need to remind you that it's a taboo for the king's daughter to lay insult on a freeborn like me, Your Majesty.
And how dare you stand before me and speak with your dirty mouth? Will you get out of my sight? Guards!
Your Majesty.
Guards! Get out!
I did not come looking for you.
I said get
I
out!
came to look for my friend.
Guards!
It's not like I'm running, no. I just want to go because I cannot take it if it's here. Hey, stop it, Alex!
And you! And you!
I heard your friend walked into the palace and insulted Her Majesty. What a god. Who is she?
Father, she did not insult Her Majesty.
You said what?
It was Uloma who started insulting her. Me.
Listen, Nena. I do not want to lay my hands on you in this palace. Because if I do, I will make sure I turn your neck. Her Majesty is my mother. And I will not spare anybody that would speak to her anyhow. Do you understand?
How dare you speak to me in that manner? Is it because Father gave all of you an edge over me? Is it because Father hated my mother and sent her away from the palace? If my mother is here today, will any one of you talk to our daughter the way you are doing now? Ikena, I swear with the gods of our land, the day you will lay your filthy hands on me,
That's absolutely right.
Shut up! How dare you run your mouth before the king? Have you lost your manners? Are you mad?
That's absolutely right. He is the man. The man that will sit on my throne after my reign.
Father, you can't say that again.
Don't As for that your useless friend, tell her to come to this palace and see me. If I send my guards after her, They will tie her up and bring her to me.
You are crying. What happened?
Iche, Ikenna laid his hands on me in front of the king. And the only thing he said was I deserved it. Look at me, Iche. Tell me, who have I offended? Who did I wrong? That my mother had issues in the palace when I was a child and left. How is that my fault? Eh? This has brought so much hatred on me. Nkechi, the king asked me to call you.
What for?
I don't know the lies his wife told him, and he has been ranting ever since.
Greetings, Sonu.
What is the problem?
The king asked us to bring you to the palace now.
Nenna is here for the same issue. So go. I'm coming with her.
We are not here to play with you. And don't even allow us to force you. Or if you do.
And what will you do? Kill me? I just told you I'm coming with her and you're still here shouting. I will never go with you. As for the palace, I'm coming there.
I am the owner of this community. Go back and tell Igwe Omenife that my daughter is coming to see him. Leave my compound.
She must follow us to the palace.
I tell him my house.
I will tie her up.
Now get out. Get out of this.
You know who is talking and you are talking. Okwaya?
Leave the house.
Move it.
Okay, I will go.
Move it. Move.
Leave me alone now.
Move it. Igwe.
Igwe, my elders.
So this is the fool that has the miserable God to insult Her Majesty in my palace. I'll roast you alive.
Your Majesty, I did not insult the Queen, and I can never do such. Whoever that told you that I, Nkechinyere, the daughter of Onowu, came to the palace and insulted the Queen is a liar.
You called my wife, Her Majesty, a liar? Your Majesty, please leave this girl. You sent for us to hear this. You should always control your temper.
Your Majesty, I did not do what you are accusing me of. Whoever that lied against me has lied against the gods of our land. Your daughter Uloma lacks manners. I was only advising her to stop insulting her elder sister. My elders, was that an insult?
Igwe, I cannot sit here and watch this girl shed this type of tears. I have a daughter like her. I can't be part of this conspiracy. Nena is here. Let's find out from her what actually happened.
No. Nena will not speak. She collaborated with this idiot to insult my wife. Eh? Does it mean Her Majesty is lying? Guards.
Yes, Your Highness.
Take this idiot away and lock her up.
I'm sorry. I did not do it. Elders, please, now. I'm sorry. I did not do it. Father, please. She's like a sister to me. Please don't do this to her. Please, my elders, please.
Get out of my palace! I hate you! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I hate you!
Udochi. Udochi.
Ike, what is that?
You said you are not a lily-livered man, right?
The hen?
Yeah. I saw that Igwe's daughter with the guards. But from what I observed, she was in pain. Because I saw traces of tears in her eyes, which means that something is wrong. And that is why I ran to you as, you know now, as Igwe's in-law to be, so that I should tell you.
Wait, Iked. Did you say you saw my own wife along the road crying?
Stop asking me if I saw her, because I did not speak with food in my mouth. I'm telling you that I saw her. I want you to go to the palace and demand from the king why he should allow that beautiful young princess to be subjected to a mere village maiden. That is when I will believe this. I love her. I love her. I will marry her.
Iked, leave that one. I believe you cannot doubt my love for that girl. Let me beg you for something. Don't go out there and start maybe telling people that I am Igwe's in-law to be. As a man, you should know when to talk and when not to talk. Do you understand? And until the Igwe restores that girl's status as the princess, I'll be watching them from a distance. Do you understand? So mind the way you talk.
So your liver has failed you. Oh, okay, wait. Before you were eyeing the throne, you want to be the prince or what?
And I'm still eyeing the throne. Okay, leave that one. You know I can do everything for that girl. You know.
Let's go. Go to the palace and demand from the Igwe why you should subject her to.
Don't doubt me. Oh. I can go there.
Let's go.
Let me finish what I was doing at the back. Do you understand? Yeah. You don't need to doubt me because I know my ability. I know what I can do.
Did you cook?
Don't worry.
My brother.
I want you elders to ask His Majesty why he is bent on destroying my family. As the owner of this kingdom, I have every right to be respected. Both in this palace, the entire community, and my family.
Look, oh no. You don't bargain here to raise your voice on the elders of this community. Of course. Does the custom and tradition permit you to do that? Please sit down and show us what it is.
Okaka, shut up your mouth. I said shut up your mouth if you don't have anything good to say. Did Igwe complain to Ono as a sign of respect before asking his guards to go and arrest him? Did he?
That's the king, and that's the right. It's the king.
Okaka, you are a fool. And your descendants are fools. That is why your father supports evil.
Okay? You go have the right to do whatever you want to do, and that makes him the king.
It is not so.
Say so.
I will not allow Uzoka's daughter to leave. Let me see the worst he can do. Since my wife left the palace, Uzoka has been attacking me, left, right, and center. I know he is the owner, but I remain the king, and I have right to banish him and his family.
Igwe, don't say such a thing. It's not good. Uzoka has done nothing wrong. You cannot just banish him because of your own mere family issue.
It's your BD.
Ogini.
You people should stop opposing the king's decisions in this palace. Who is to know that cannot be banished? He has the right to do whatever he wants to do. Didn't you say he bashed himself inside the palace and started ranting?
What are we quarreling for? Look, if we don't take time, we will destroy our kingdom by ourselves. I think what we should be talking about now is how to bring in Onowu and His Majesty and sort out this issue once and for all. The allegation that Igwe's first wife ran to Uzoka's house and was having an affair went viral in the community and beyond. Uzoka has never forgiven the king. So what are we talking about? And the daughter keep coming to my palace to meet my daughter. And for one day, I have never chased her away. I think I know what to do.
Igwe, with due respect, if you have forgotten, let me remind you. When your wife Akwafo left the palace with her daughter, Nena, it was Uzoka's house she ran to. And Uzoka accommodated them. Uzoka is a nice man. He has not done anything wrong. Just like Iche Ukafo said, we should try and bring both of you together so we can make peace, so that things can go well. Igwe, Your Majesty, please, I am begging you. Let's start from you releasing that young maiden to go back to her father's house. Please, I beg you. Igwe, I beg you.
Peace is what we need. You don't need violence.
Okafor, I wonder why the Igwe will hate his own first daughter the way he did. Yes. I mean, just because of common accusation they level against her mother. And even if he hate the girl so much, why did he go after that child and return her to the palace? Why? And if that is second wife, I don't like her behavior. She's a very bad woman.
That is why I said the allegation laid on Uzoka was so bad because he was trying to be nice. Mind you, Uzoka does not forget things so easily. If you notice him even in the palace meetings, he barely talk.
What do you want him to say? Tell me, what do you expect him to say? Since he challenged Igwe for an oath, and Igwe did not even show up, and he cannot even render a common apology for the accusation. Okafor, if you ask me, I think Uzoka is having something in mind.
Yes. Obidi. Something like what?
If you want me to tell you, I think that room is shaking.
Yes. Obidi, don't say a thing like children. Even though if you know anything about it, be silent for once. Don't let this your mouth put you into trouble.
Why are you talking like this? Is it not between me and you? I'm only telling you. I'm telling you. See, between me and you, there is a problem. That road is in trouble. Just keep your mouth. Finish.
Father, what bothers you? Father, talk to me. You know I don't like it when you're this way. It makes me worried.
Where is your brother?
He's not in.
I'm fine. There is no problem, eh? Go and get me water to drink.
Yes, Father.
I will do what I will do, and the whole community will be stunned.
Hi. I will turn the palace into a dead zone. Or is it because I didn't put in disarray during his coronation?
I am the owner of this community, and no one born of a woman will joke with me and my family.
Oh no. You have to take it easy. Igwe has every right to be angry. Lolo is his wife, and she deserves some respect.
Ichiokafo, I am from a family of respected people and fearless people. Nkechi is also fearless. You will agree with me that she accords respect to both small and big. But we never take any insult from anyone, no matter your position in the society.
Uloma, the king's daughter, is very arrogant and insultive.
Yeah, we know that.
You will agree with me that in one of the occasions, she insulted us when we were sitting in the palace. The king always support his wife and daughter. And Nkechi will not just sit like that. Watch Nena gets humiliated.
She will not.
You are right. You are right. Oh no, everything you have said here is correct. We all agree with you. But you see, we are here to plead with you, not to have any issue with Igwe. You see, we want us to continue to relate with Igwe as you have been doing before.
Of course.
All your anger, try and throw them away, please, I beg you. Oh no, I beg you.
Ichi Okafo and Ichi Obidi. The Igwe accused me of sleeping with his wife when he sent her out of the palace. She ran to my house with her 5-year-old child. The child bonded with Nkechinwam. Now they are grown and like sisters. Come, let me tell you people. I don't have any issue with the Igwe. But if I don't see my daughter before the moon arrives.
Oh no. The king will release your daughter because we have already talked to him.
Yes, that is the truth. Sorry, that is the truth. You just have to calm down. We talked to the Igwe, we spoke to him, we asked him to release your daughter. In no time, your daughter will come home and stay with you. Just put your temper.
Take it easy.
Take her easy. Please,
your daughter will be back.
Your daughter will be back. We have spoken to the Igwe.
Mother, I have told my father not to release that stupid girl. So next time, she will learn to mind her business.
That is good. You are your father's daughter. You will make sure you do everything you can to retain the love your father has for you. Nena's mother is no more here. And she cannot do anything to take your position.
She won't, Mother. It's getting late and that stupid girl is yet to prepare dinner. I don't want to eat late because of her laziness.
Where is she? Call her for me.
Okay.
Mother! What happened to you?
Did you know that Nkechi? She spat yam on my body.
Nkechi did what?
I got there and I saw them eating our yam. I asked to know who gave them our yam to eat. Then she started insulting me, you and father. Then she spat this on my body. I mean, just look at me.
Follow me.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. See what Nena and Nkechi did to my daughter. Just take a look at it. Eh?
Father, see my body. See what they did to me. See what they did to the king's favorite daughter. Father, just look at my body. I won't take this lying low. I won't take it.
It's your kaka. It's your kaka. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Please release that girl. Let that girl to avoid further issues. Ichie Uzoka and his daughter have been trying to destroy this community. But at the gods of our fathers will not let that happen. Please, send the girls to release her.
She can go just like that. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Bring that girl out. Flog her until her body begins to peel.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Son,
Father,
you've not always been around. A lot of issues have been going on in this kingdom, and at least you're supposed to be around to be part of it.
I don't understand, Father.
Are you aware that Nkechi almost got your sister blind, and Nana was the one behind it all?
I am not aware, Father.
Oh, how could you be aware when you are busy going from one Marian's house to another? Look, this throne belongs to you, and you must be a man, else people can take it away from you. People like Ichia Uzoka have always been interested, and that's why he was doing everything he could do, especially when my father died. So be careful.
I am sorry, Father. Ichiokaka has already told me things about him. I promise to be careful. Let me see you longer.
What happened to you? Who did this to your body?
Mama, the guards! The police guards!
Police guards!
They knocked me, Mama! They knocked me! They knocked me!
Hold yourself! Hold yourself! I'm coming! I'm coming! Hey! Thank the gods I met both of you. I was going to Ichioka first house before meeting you here. Yes! Please, let's go to my house.
Your house?
Yes! Before my daughter dies. I want the both of you to come and see what has befallen my one and only daughter, whose mother died and left for me. Please.
Okafor, what type of thing is this? So after pleading with Igwe to allow Nkechi to leave, I think we should...
Don't think anything! Obidi, don't think anything! Let us go and see with our eyes.
Let's go, let's go!
If they allow you, you will talk what you don't see.
Why are you talking like this?
Let us go!
Please, let's go, let's go! I want you people to be my witness! I want...
Hey.
No. I want you to be my witness! Me, Uzoka, in this community, everybody will know. Oh. Come and see! Come and see! Come and see! Come see what Igwe Menife did to my daughter.
Come. Hey!
Look at it!
Hey!
Simply because she was fighting for her friend, who is also the Igwe's daughter. Eh? Are you people seeing her? Are you seeing the wounds?
Hey! Hey!
Igwe Menife inflicted these bruises on her.
Hey!
forgetting that she's a woman that can be admired by men, that can lead to marriage. I will not take it. No. I can't take it. No.
Please calm down. Calm down.
You are telling me to calm down. Is it because I allowed him to be on that throne? Is it because I did not show him my true color? He suddenly forgot that he is not even a direct son of Igwe Okorogu, who gave birth to his mother. He forgot. Because the Igwe has no direct son. I don't know who is supposed to be on that throne. Allowed him to be there. Look at it. Today, he is testing his powers. Oh, my daughter. No. I can't take it. I can't take it. No. No.
Oh no. Who are you blaming for all this predicament that happened to your family? Who are you blaming? I remember telling you to ascend that throne when you go Okorogu, join his ancestors. What did you tell me? You said you are close to the Igwe. You are close to the late Igwe. You cannot do it. Now look at what is happening to your family. Can you see it?
Ichiobidi, please, we are not here for this. The king is sitting on the throne and nobody can remove him now. You should be talking about how to treat your daughter.
Hey,
and not this.
Ichokafo. You said no one can remove him. Right? Is that what you said?
Enough of this.
Let
me go and get some leaves so that we can kill the prince.
Oh no, I'm blaming you.
Look at it.
I am blaming
Look at it.
You are the cause of all this nonsense. You are the cause of all this nonsense.
No, I won't take it.
Look at it.
I won't take it.
Look at it.
Mother, it is day already and I've not taken my breakfast. What is keeping it?
Eken, are you asking me for your breakfast?
Mother, since all the maids were sent away from this palace, most nights I sleep on empty stomach. Is it because I've not been complaining?
Then go and look for Nena and ask her why your food is not ready and stop disturbing mother.
Is Nena the only woman in this palace? Are you not a woman? What stops you from cooking?
When did I start cooking in this palace? As far as cooking and washing is concerned, Nena should be asked for it.
Mother, did you hear that?
Where has she gone since morning?
I don't know. Since she went to fetch water from the stream, she has not returned. Only the gods know why.
If Nena has gone to fetch water, Oloma, you should go and cook. Go and cook, you're a woman. I cannot have somebody like you in this palace and I go hungry all the time.
Ikenna, you're raising your voice.
But I have to do something about this.
You're raising your voice, Ikenna.
Else I'll be forced to bring back the maids.
Ikenna, you are raising your voice.
I am sorry, Mother.
Mother, did you see how he was talking to me?
You shut up.
I am not saying you don't have the right as a king to scold my daughter. After all, you are a father like myself. But to inflict bruises all over her body when you know that she is a woman is what I cannot take. You sent your guards to punish her after keeping her in your cell. She has been sick for some time and could not do anything for her father. Imagine me, as old as I am, bending down to slot firewood in the kitchen.
Chihuzaka, I don't like the way you talk in this palace, talking so boldly, with not remembering that you are in the presence of His Majesty. Your daughter insulted Her Majesty and was punished according to the law of the land. So, mind your tongue.
Are you talking to me, the owner of this community? Are you talking to the offer holder and the kingmaker? Who asked you to speak in the first place? Were you there when she insulted the king's wife? Be careful. I know how to deal with people like you. Don't worry.
Sit down. You can't do anything. Is it because I'm a miserable father claim my father's life and my father allowed it? Don't see my family as a really liberal family. And do not talk to me like that.
You see why I said we lack peace in this fall? Eh? We lack love and we lack understanding. Igwe, I saw Ichie Uzoka's daughter. She was roughly manhandled. We do not know what led to that.
Igwe, with due respect, did Onowu's daughter insulted Her Majesty while she was in the cell? Or you are just trying to teach her a lesson?
That I have been keeping quiet does not make me a weak king. This is the throne of my forefathers. And not even you, Uzoka, will stop this royal family from sitting on it. All your evil plans will not work. This is Igwe very fault. I have my powers. I have my orders. And nobody, not even any born of a woman, can dare this royal family and get away with it. As long as I'm concerned, this matter is settled.
Igwe.
I hate your mother, who brought untold sorrows to my life. If not that you have real blood, if not that you are my first blood, I would...
Father, stop. I am not my mother. You cannot hate my bread because I have not done anything to you. You cannot hate my life for nothing. Father, if my mother wronged you, have I wronged you too? Father, please. Biko, you are the only one I have. Please do not hate your first blood, Father. Father, please. I am pleading with you. Please, Father. One chance, please. Just give me one chance to prove that I am not my mother. Please. Father, please. Please. Father.
are not alone. Leave your father, who has been falling for that woman he married. I will tell you all you need to know about your father and your late mother. As soon as she left the palace, she got married to a man from Ihite community and gave birth to a baby girl. She died. I was the only one that attended the burial from this community.
My father never mentioned this to me. No one mentioned this either. Father always said that mother left the palace and that she was a bad and wicked woman. He never told me that I have a sister or that my mother got married to another man. So, I do not have a living mother. I had always hoped that I would meet her someday. I only have little memories of her. But that was from when I was just a little child.
Now you are grown. Hiding certain things from you is not the best. You must leave the palace and look for your younger sister from the same mother with you. Though I don't know if Okekono, who married your mother, is still alive. But I am very sure that the child survived.
Thank you so much, Iche.
Okay.
May the gods bless and reward you.
Mm-hmm.
You have always fought for me, right from my childhood. I am grateful. But, Iche, I still have one question for you.
Which is...
What led to my mother's exit from the palace? And so much hatred from the king?
I told you I have a lot to tell you. But go in search of your younger sister first, so that we know how she is faring in her father's place.
Okay, Iche. I will do as you have said.
Okay.
Nkechi, my sister, please, will you go with me to Iite?
Yes. Yes, I will. Whenever you're ready.
Thank you so much. I know I can always count on you.
It's okay.
But the feeling of losing a mother is a big pain to bear.
I was expecting to meet her one day.
Never mentioned it to me. He never did.
It's okay.
I want to meet my mother.
Please, I think you're less house. Oh. Thank you very much. Oh, darling.
Thank you. Thank you.
Boy, boy, boy. Boy, boy, boy. Who is here? Boy, boy, boy.
Did you see anybody? She's here. Welcome.
Please, what are you looking for?
Please, who are the occupants of this house?
I'm here. And this is my father's hut. Are you Okeke Uno's daughter? Yes. It's me. That means we are looking for you. Looking for me?
Yes. Where is your father?
My father died a month ago. He was having waist pain. At a point he couldn't move. And the next thing was death. But please, who are you people?
Sorry about your father. Sorry.
But do you know any Akwafo?
I don't know her. But my father told me Akwafo was my mother and that she died after my birth.
The gods be praised. Akwafo was my mother. Yes.
Are you Digwe's daughter?
Yes, I am.
Hey! Never come, Yano! I'll get you! People that think I don't have a sister, come out, don't come and say I have a sister! People that want to kill me thinking I don't have a sister! No! Come and say I have my sister! Hey! You people should come! That's you. Oh, that's so hey.
You look so grown.
Hey! Let's go inside. Please, let's go. You're welcome.
Did I found my sister?
Hey! Go.
I was planning on coming to see you, since you never bothered to come and see your little sister. But my father's heinous kept improving every day. And I also want to come and see the king, who sent some of his guards to beat my father up. That caused him spinal pain till he died.
Your father told you all this?
Yes. My father told me everything about our mother, the king, and himself. My father was a good man, a nice man, a calm man. He doesn't even look for trouble, but not when taken for granted. Sister, please eat up, okay? I will tell you everything my father told me when you are done eating.
But
come on, eat up.
Did he show you where our mother was buried?
Yes, I will show you when you are done eating. It's just at the back of this hut. Why not stay back and leave tomorrow? Please. Ever since Papa died, I've been all alone in this world. And now I've seen you. Please don't leave me.
May the gods forbid that I leave my little sister. I am happy you are alive. And I'm happy we met. Don't worry, eh? I will come back, so we'll make some future plans together, okay? I will also take you to the palace, so the king will meet you.
But I've been wanting to ask you this. Why are you dressed like this?
My dear, your sister did not just dress like this, but it's a story for another day. We have to be going, it's getting late. My father will be waiting for us. He's aware we are coming here. And your sister, they may be looking for her in the palace.
Listen.
Please take good care of yourself, okay?
And please take good care of her.
I will.
See, you are my little sister. And I will do anything possible to make sure you don't suffer again. Don't worry. All will be well. Okay? Take care of yourself. Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
All right.
So you mean none of you knew when she left the palace and where she had gone to?
Igwe, since I woke up, I've not set my eyes on her. I think she left very early this morning to make sure none of us ate breakfast. That girl is evil.
That little girl is staring me. And I don't want to do something that people will hear and get shocked.
Father, I think Nina does not want to associate with us again. Because she already knows that you hate her so much. Father, I would suggest you bring back our mates. Imagine we have not eaten up till now because of one stupid and evil-minded Nina.
Father, I suggest that as soon as she returns, you should lock her in the palace cell without food or water, so she knows how it feels to keep a princess like me hungry.
Oh, granted, my daughter. Granted.
Igwe, do not grant her request. Nene must come back to continue with the palace errand and cooking. Else, you bring back our maidens to continue the palace chores.
But if you make me to do so...
Father, calm down. Nina, don't be stupid. Do not be silent on His Majesty.
What is your business in this issue? Who are you? Are you my father?
I am the crowned prince of this kingdom. I want to remind you something. With or without you, this palace will still move on. What is the benefit of having you in this palace since you cannot cook or do things assigned to you? Idiot.
I will not cry for you. You are my younger brother, and we share the same blood. And you keep slapping me at random. Even if I offended father or your mother, did I ever offend you? Dalu. Disike. Father, you never told me I have a sister from my mother. You never told me my mother was dead. And you never told me why my mother left the palace. Then I left to go see my sister. And I found out that her father had died. And that she was all alone, just like me.
You left my house to Hite. You left my house to Kekuno's house. Your mother was evil. And I told you that I don't want to have anything to do with anybody from her womb.
Go and fill all the pots with water.
Mama, why did you leave me? Mama, why did
Are you serious? You know, Ikenna is just a fool. A very big fool. He's parading himself as the prince because your father gave him the power to do so. That is why he had the guts to be slapping you. Anyway, It's not his fault. I do not blame him. I blame death. Yes. Because if your mother was alive, you would have left the palace a long time ago. But it's okay. Let them do all they wish now that they have the time. Because soon, all this must end.
My sister, I want it to end. I wish it could even end now. I'll be very grateful.
Nina, it's okay. It's their time. Let them use it. But it's okay. Let's go. It's alright.
So the little girl lived alone.
Yes, Papa. She felt like packing her things and coming with us. Papa, since her father died, things has not been easy with her. She goes to farm, works for people, just to put food in her stomach.
Hey. Okay, go no wokem. The great man who stands by his words. You see, Okekono was a good friend of Akwafo, Nena's mother. People knew them so much. Okekono will walk all the way from Ihite, his own community, to our own community, only to come and see her. Most of the time, he comes there to help her in her parents' farmland, to work in the farm. Akwafo was a beautiful woman that young men admire, including this our king. The king's mother does not like Akwafo because she said Akwafo is too exposed for her son. But the king insisted and took away Akwafo from Okekono, especially because of her royalty. As soon as she came into the palace, there was a great hatred between the king's mother and the wife. And it continued until the woman left the palace. We'll continue the story when the children comes for it.
Papa, this is a story indeed. So she left the palace, and that same Okeke Uno went back and married her.
My daughter, you see, do not despise your humble beginning. Do not look at riches. Look at the heart. Do not turn back on whoever that gave you life. Sometimes the outcome is disastrous, very disastrous.
This is deep. Papa, I'm already feeling sleepy. Let me go and sleep.
So maybe tomorrow I'll give you more story.
I will not sit hear and agree with you, Your Majesty, that Nenna should not visit her small sister Adehite. It will be a taboo if you give such an order, Your Majesty. The young girl was also Akwafo's daughter, so they have a court to go to please.
So you mean I should allow her bring in Okekuno's plot into my palace?
She has a sister in the palace, and the sister is the princess of Umezu Kingdom. Forget the fact that you hate her because of what her mother did, and strip her of your status. Her sister will come, and you will not say no to that. Please.
Ichiokaka, you know I always listen to you.
Then, Your Majesty, have you ever regretted any?
Oh, not at all.
Where you go? What is it? Why are you crying?
Nne, what is it? Why are you crying? Ego, whatever it is, I am here. Tell me, are you what? Did anyone beat you? Why are you crying?
I was on my way to our farm to clear some weed. One boy that has been asking me to be his friend, and I refused. Met me on the road and called me. I ignored him. He came to the house this afternoon and pissed me off. He pissed me.
That's all?
Yes.
It's okay. Just wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Forget him. Listen, I know something that will cheer you up. See, we brought you some yams and other foodstuffs.
Thank you so much.
1 year ago, the boy you said that beats you up, do you know his house?
I know his house very well. So you're around here.
Okay. Please take these things inside, eh? Come and show me his house.
Must we do that? Please, please. Let's forget him.
Forget who? Nena, I'm asking you, forget who? This is the only sister you have. And somebody will just walk in here and beat her up. Just because she refused his advances. And you're telling me to forget him. 1 year ago, please take these things inside and come and show me his house. For what? Why you call? 1 year ago, are you still sitting here? Come and show me the boy's house. Hurry up! Rio.
When has any issue been resolved by fighting?
I am not like you. And I can never be like you.
He's the one.
Eh?
Yes, he's the one.
Are you the person that has the miserable guts to beat up my sister? Answer me!
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? You don't understand the fact that you went to her father's compound to beat her up like she's your mate? Or is it because you thought she does not have anyone? Is that what you were told?
She's asking you a question and you're keeping quiet. If you don't answer, I will slap you!
Hey. Okay. I am sorry. Oh, Biko, it won't happen again. It was just a joke.
Who was joking with you? Who was joking with you?
Listen and listen very good. I do not want to see you around my sister. She has a lot on her head. She does not need any distraction from any man. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I am sorry. One year ago, I am sorry. Oh, sister, I am sorry. Oh.
It's okay, let's go.
Are you happy now?
I told you.
You told me what?
I told you. Is it everything you
Let's
fight? Is it everything you fight?
Start shouting.
Hope you're happy now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I know with this one you gave to that boy, he will stop disturbing me in this village. He normally climbs on top of anywhere he's squatting palm front. And he'll be singing with my name.
Are you serious?
Sister, it's not a small thing. He will sing with my name until he comes out from the pantry. And the villagers will come and tell me, even when I'm not there.
Chai, that is love.
Love or wanting.
You would have told me this. I wouldn't have gone to harass the poor boy. The poor boy loves you. Hey, 1 year ago. Okay, tell me the truth. Has he given you anything?
Many times.
Hey!
So my take, my son, I reject because it's becoming too much.
Yes. Oh.
1 year ago. You did not tell me this, so. Okay. You said he beat you. And the boy said he was only joking with you. So tell me the truth. Was he actually joking with you?
No, he wasn't. And I don't like such jokes.
Okay, Chelu, tell me. Have you heard him sing with your name?
Severally.
Okay, it's okay. Now, since you've heard him, you probably know most of his songs, so just sing one for us.
No, go and call him to come and sing it for you people.
1 year ago. We're warriors now. We just fought for you. So please sing for us.
Straight from the battlefield.
We promise we're not going to laugh.
No.
We're not going to laugh.
Don't laugh.
Promise, we won't laugh.
1 year ago, mama ego. 1 year ago, mama ego. Udara chamo, mama ego. Marama, mama ego. Munagi no kwae.
Please, I can't hold it. Please, I can't hold it.
Listen, once you get to Umuizo, get to the AK Square. By your right, you will see the big Ikoro. And to your left, that's where we have the almighty Izomiri Shrine. Go straight. Ask anybody of Igwe Omenife's palace. Do you understand?
I shall come. I'm very grateful for having you both today. And may the gods bless you and lead you safely.
Ise. And may the gods stop aside from singing with your name.
No, you should not stop singing with my name. You should just stop.
Hey, somebody is in love. Somebody is in love. Somebody is in love. Outside. 1 year ago is in love. You're in love.
Take care of yourself, eh?
You too.
I'll miss you.
I miss you too.
It's so small.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, go.
told me. I won't take it lying low. I won't.
Oh no, I'm not surprised hearing this, but it is not possible. Take it as a mere rumor. Who is Sokaka? Igwe cannot do such a thing without our knowledge.
We must talk to the king to be very careful. It is because of this same daughter of his that made him turn his first blood as a servant in the palace.
Oh. So you are aware?
Why won't I be aware? When the girl has been carrying pots to the stream from morning, afternoon, and night. Well, I don't know why some men are so weak before their wives.
Withdraw that statement. Withdraw that statement. If you are weak, I am not weak. Yes, and I'm sure not all men are weak.
I know.
If Igwe Omenefe is weak, that is his problem. We are not.
You know, there is a way I do my things. I will march to his palace and ask him why. And from whom his daughter got that message.
Oh no.
No, I will do that.
No,
I will do that.
No, I will suggest you calm down. Just calm down. Calm down till the day we are going to have our palace meeting. Then we will raise the issue. Not so. Then we will ask him why. Don't worry, don't be afraid. We are here. We will support you. You cannot do any of such thing in our absence. We must agree with him before you can do it. Yes. Don't be afraid.
You told Neddy that you'll be coming to see me, but since then I've not seen you.
And what effort have you made since you didn't see me?
And what other effort do you expect me to make when your sister Uloma insulted me the last time I came to see you, simply because I asked where is my prince? You know that your sister doesn't have manners.
And I have apologized on her behalf. You should know that Uloma is a small girl who carries herself so high as the princess of Umezu kingdom.
We're not dragging the title. Just teach her how to relate with other people.
Ihoma, you're going to be the queen someday. Do not bother yourself about people and what they say.
I've told you to stop calling me that until you bring your sister to tender an apology.
And that won't be possible.
Then let's be friends. Let's just continue as friends. I'm not your queen, please.
Do you realize you're talking to the future king of this land?
Sure, I know. Your sister insulted me, and you find it so hard to bring her to tender an apology. Sorry. I only want to let her know that I'm not Nena she can talk to anyhow. In fact, I want to leave.
When do I see you again?
Anytime. My grandmother is healthy now, so I'm around. Take care.
Dad. Your words to her have really hurt her so much. So I want you to go and tender an apology.
Let it hurt her the more. I am the princess of this kingdom. The king's favorites. Who doesn't like my status should go and die. She should be the one to tender an apology to me.
Oloma, don't stand there and argue with me. That maiden is someone I love so much. You made her stop coming to this palace to see me. I do not want us to have issues because of her.
Over my dead body.
So you are back to this village? Eh?
You see me, which shows I'm back.
How is your suitor? Or should I call him your friend?
I don't understand.
I mean, how is the prince? Or is he no longer your friend? Don't just deny it, because I've heard a lot about you both. But the stories calmed down a bit since you traveled to take care of your sick grandmother.
Well, I was just with him. I left him a few minutes ago. Please, he is not my suitor. Biko, I cannot marry somebody whose family doesn't have conscience. You, your mother, your sister are maltreating your father's first daughter, and you see it as nothing.
Huh.
Do you know the younger sister, Uloma, insulted me the day I went to see him? I couldn't do anything about it. I told him to bring back his sister to apologize to me. But he said no, that his sister is a princess. Then I said fine. I don't care the family he came from. I don't like royalty, affluence, noisemakers. No.
Wait, is that all? So he did not tell you that he has been slapping Nena at random? He did not tell you that they don't have a single maid in the palace just because they want to suffer the girl? But I guess he must have told you that he locked me up in his cell and asked the guards to flog me. Yes, just because I told his miserable mother and sister to stop insulting Nena. My friend, a lot has happened since you left.
All this happened to you?
Yes, and they will never go scot-free. My mama yao, my papa yao, including that Uloma that calls herself a royal majesty, will never go scot-free. They have done theirs. Mine is to come.
Just forget it.
Isemu forget. No. Isemu forget. Ioma, you needed to see the scars they inflicted on my body. What did I do? Nothing.
My dear, just forget it. Yeah? The gods will fight for the just. Just forget about it.
I will fight for myself before the gods will fight for me. Please, I'm leaving.
Eddie. Yeah. I don't think I want the prince to come here again. I don't like his attitude. I don't like the sister's attitude too. I told you the way she insulted me, and we couldn't even bend her to tender an apology. So I don't want him.
No matter what, you need to relate with the royal blood. Ikenna is a prince, and if he marries you, you become a queen. And that's what everybody is looking for.
I'm not looking for that. We can be friends like I told him. But in terms of any other thing, I'm not interested. I don't want. Nkechi told me her own version of the story. The way the king suffered her. I don't think
We are aware of that. But really, what the king did to her was not fair at all. Well, it's a decision. But don't tell Ikenna to stop coming. You will see your reaction and count his teeth.
Let me finish this thing. Sit down. Be fast.
You and your daughter have given the Ono title of Umuizo to Ichiokaka. I will consult the priestess. Let her come and collect the offer of Umuizo community and give to Okaka. That is all I have to say.
Your Majesty, it is said that a masquerade who dances alone does not go home on time, because no one would tell whether it is late or not. I have been calling for peace, but it has always fallen on deaf ears. Your Majesty, if your daughter said something like this, it is wrong.
And what if she didn't say it?
Then may the gods punish whoever thought of it.
Your Majesty, Are you telling us that this rumor just came up from nowhere?
Shut up. Don't ask His Majesty that stupid question. Onowu is a title. Can go to anyone at any time. It is his right to make anyone Onowu when the time comes.
That is when you must have killed Uzoka, right?
You said that with your mouth, though. I don't know what you're talking about.
I made you the king of Umuizo kingdom. And it is by my authority. By right, you are not supposed to sit on this throne. I consulted the oracle on your behalf. Your mother was a king's daughter who gave birth to you without getting married. Because the king's only son died at infant. You are not from the king's groin. So mind how you treat and talk to the people that ask you to sit on this throne.
Uzoka, you made me laugh. You are nothing but a porcupine. I have the blood of Igbo Korugu, and nothing could have stopped me from sitting on this throne. And for your information, when I'm done sitting on this throne, my son will sit on it. So, don't come here to tell stories, fantasizing about who you made the king. Can't you see your plans have failed?
Your Majesty, we demand that your daughter should come and answer some questions.
And my daughter will not come and stand before you peasants.
To answer questions.
So, Your Majesty, you are telling us that we don't have the right to call your daughter Uloma and ask her some few questions on this issue?
And I will not answer that question. And as long as I remain Igbo Menife, this matter is settled.
Hey, Igwe Menife one. Igwe.
Again today, why didn't you stop her? Every day you will be claiming that you love the princess. You know, I love the princess. But stopping her is an issue to you. Huh?
Okay, see, let me tell you. There is something I am seeing in that girl which you are not seeing.
Which is?
You know, when you see somebody you love, genuine love, the first thing you do is you look at her eyes.
Eyes what? Why the eyes? Or is it the eyes that you are in love with? Huh?
Girl is not happy. She's not happy. And something is bothering her. It even seems she's crying.
That could be true. But can we summon courage as men and stop her one day and ask her what the issue is? I'm sure that she will open up to us.
She will open up.
That girl is too humble. Too humble. No royal blood will fetch water, no matter the condition.
That girl is very humble, and that is why it's as if I'm loving her the more. Let me tell you, princesses are not meant to be married to prince, or even a royal blood. Anike, let me tell you as a friend, I will do everything humanly possible to get that girl.
My friend, close your mouth. You always use mouth. For mouth, you talk, but ordinary to someone, simple to someone courage and say, how are you, girl? You can't do. I love her. Alright, let's be going.
You can leave that one.
This is the 5th time now.
I will get that there.
You can't even stop and talk.
But I stop immediately. I have my plans.
Plans.
Father, I did not say it. She only wanted to get at me, but she failed. I didn't even tell you that Nena took some of our foodstuffs in the palace to somewhere I don't even know. But that her friend had the guts to say what I did not even think of.
Did you hear that? Did you hear her? Usoka must be very careful.
Your Majesty, you know these children the way they are. I understood what their daughter said. She just said anything to get back at her by all means.
And she will fail. She must surely fail.
You can go and do what you were doing.
Thank you, Father.
Your Majesty, are you aware that you are not using your royal authorities very well?
How do you mean? Are you insinuating that I am a weak king?
Not at all, Your Majesty, not at all. I told you about to be careful about Uzoka. Because since becoming the king of this community, Uzoka has been very sad. He's not happy with their kingship.
You know, there are people you will not use your royal powers on. The fact that some people are not happy you are sitting on that throne. So, I think I know what to do. Okay. Since Uzoka has been going about telling people that my mother got me illegitimately, he has crossed his boundary.
Good day. Is Norma in?
Yes, my prince. We are just coming back from the farm. She's very tired and she's sleeping.
Not when the prince of Ume is around. Wake her up. Tell her that I'm here to see her.
Yes, my prince.
Thank you.
Please, I cannot discuss anything with you now. I just came back from the farm. I'm not feeling too well. Can you come back later, please?
Send someone to the palace when you are fine.
I will. So sorry about that.
It's alright. I will be on my way.
I thought we discussed. I told you how I feel about this young man. Why didn't you tell him I went out? You just came in and woke me up.
He's a prince. A royalty. I don't know what you're talking about. Do you know the respect you are getting just because he's coming here from you? Other maidens are not happy. And when you continue turning your back at him, you will see another person and will not like it.
Is that so?
That's so.
Stop. Come here.
Why did you walk past without recognizing your prince?
Please, who is the prince?
What got? Meaning what, I'd ask you?
Meaning that those that are prince should first regard their senior. Meaning that those that are prince do not soil hands. Meaning that those that are royalty Do not carry their shoulders high. I have been in your father's cell. As a matter of fact, this guard standing beside you was among the ones that flogged me. There is nothing you can do that will shake me.
Sorry, my friends.
Why is my brother's face like this?
Nothing. I am fine.
Is it because of the girl you asked me to tender an apology to?
Uloma, I said I am fine. You said you're not going to tender any apology. Why then are you talking about it?
Okay. Am I wrong looking at my brother's face?
I am fine.
Okay.
Good morning, my princess. My name is Swanyego, and I'm here to see my sister. I don't know if she's in.
Who is your sister?
Nina.
So what gave you the miserable guts to come into this palace looking for Nina?
My princess. Do you know me before? That I came looking for my sister does not make you call it a miserable guts. Is that how you talk to people? I think you should learn manners.
That I should learn manners. Will you shut up, you animal? Now, leave this place.
That I came looking for my sister. You had the guts to slap me.
No problem. You're talking back at me. I said leave this place. Get out! Ah!
What happened to you?
I came to the palace looking for you. I saw a maiden dressed like a princess. And I asked her after you. And she started talking what I did not understand. And the next thing was a slap on my face and she walked me out of the palace.
Hey! Ulama slapped you. Ulama slapped you. She will hear from me. Let's go.
Sister, let me help you with the water.
Uloma. Uloma. Ah!
Ulama! Ulama! They will hear from me today. Don't cry. Ulama! Ulama! Where is that she there? Come here.
What is it?
What did my sister do to you that you had to welcome her with a slap?
Is that why you're shouting my name like that?
I will not ask you this question again. Because even if the cock starts to lay egg today, it will not stop me from removing all the teeth in your mouth.
You don't have respect for the princess of this land. Or are you forgetting that I am the princess of this kingdom? Her royal majesty.
Will you stop your mouth? You dare lay your... Don't even cough! Are you mad?
If you touch me again, I will kill you today. I think... Is it because I'm taking right?
So, because I left this palace with my wife and my son, you people conspired to kill my daughter. Have I not warned you that I do not want to see anything from Aquafor's womb into my palace? You disobeyed my orders. Same thing your useless mother did to my mother.
Father, you must spare my sister. You did not care to know what Uloma did. Is this how you judge? The gods are watching. Whatever you want to do, I will be held responsible for it. But you must leave my sister out of this.
Shut up! You brought Okekone's blood into my palace. Guards!
You sent your guards to inflict pain on my father just because you both had land issues. Not about my mother again. My father died in pain. I only came to see my blood, my sister, and your daughter Uloma slapped me without doing anything to her. The God knows who is saying the truth. Please, Your Highness, let me go, please.
Lock her up.
Yes.
Flog her very well.
Please.
Yes.
One night, please. Whoa, sister! Please, Your Highness, please! Whoa! Wait!
Let's kill my sister too.
I do not want to see you anywhere around this palace.
Father, you lie.
Shut up! And get out of my sight.
Good. I will not leave this place. This is my father's house. This is my father's palace. I am royalty. You have subjected me into being a slave amongst my siblings. I did not complain. I am Nnenna. I am not Akwafo. You cannot hate me because of the issues you had with my mother.
Out. Shut up and get out! Get out!
The gods are watching you people. This is not fair, Father. As for my sister, you can't just lock her out there and start to flog her. It's not fair. Remember, the gods are watching. It's not alone. They should leave my sister alone. A little girl who came to see her only sister. An orphan whose mother died during her birth. If you didn't tell me about her, I wouldn't have known.
Father has done enough. He has done enough. As we speak, they are busy flogging her in the palace. And she is wailing in pains.
Do you know Ichiokafor's place? Ichiokafo?
No, I don't, but if you tell me the direction, I will go.
If not that Nkechinyere went to your market, she would have done it for me. Just go. If you get to Igweako Junction, ask of Ichiokafo. Everybody there knows him. They will show you. Tell him to come here immediately. Tell him to see me immediately. Come back. Just wipe your tears. Nothing will happen to your sister. Nothing. Just go and call Ichiokafo for me. Akwafo and my late wife had good relationship. I am like a father to Nena here. Simply because you refused to see her as your own child. Akwafo had another marriage, which produced another child. You did not tell her. I was the one that told her to go and look for her sister. Tell me why Uloma we beat that her younger sister. Simply because she came looking for one year. I hate division. But since you want your household to be divided, I don't want to interfere. I will not.
But you've been interfering. Didn't she also tell you that I don't want to see her anywhere around me?
What? I don't really know why we should leave matters concerning our community and be discussing your family matters. What is the offense of this your daughter? When your mother refused you from marrying Akwafo, apart from having problems with your mother, did Akwafo do any other thing that is making you to treat our children this way?
She's a wall. She was sleeping with Uzoka here. It's because I brought it in the open. That's the problem I've been having with him. She fought my mother, broke her head with pestle. She was doing many things, and Uzoka supported her. Anyway, I don't want to dwell in the past. I don't want Nena in my house. My children are not comfortable with her also.
This allegation has not dropped off from your mouth. Even when you ran away from taking an oath about it, your mother was evil. She did not treat her daughter-in-law very well. Same way you are doing right now. I don't have any more thing to say, but release her sister. Just release her sister now.
You are ordering me?
Not at all, Your Majesty. I just want you to leave the young girl who came looking for her blood sister. Leave her alone.
Mind you, Your Majesty, the girl you are holding is not from this community. To avoid attracting violence.
Your Majesty, your guards punished her, tortured her, and she's in your cell. Please, release her to us.
God.
Yes, Your Majesty.
color kaka for me.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Chokafo. Nena, let's go.
My sister.
Come, let's go. Come, let's go.
This is the reason I don't like you and anything from that your family. The story is everywhere. How your father, our king, locked up Nena's sister from Ihite. It's unfair.
I don't like the way people of this kingdom judge issues. Has anyone bothered to know what she did?
She didn't do anything. Is it wrong for someone to act for her sister? The same Uloma that insulted me because I let it go. Look, there are things we do and it will fall back to us in the past.
Meaning?
Meaning that all of you are supporting evil will. And it's not good. I will ask you to use your position as a prince and ask your father to leave the poor girl alone. Please. It was your sister Uloma that slapped her. And the sister came back and responded to what she did to her sister. See, Ikenna, I see you as a good man. But sometimes you don't value the fact that Nena is your own sister. And I don't like it.
So this is why you sent for me.
It's not enough for me to send for you.
Well, I've heard you. But I must warn you. Don't send for me because of this rubbish again. I thought you had something important to say.
Any leader that has not shown his authority is weak. You are an authority, but you have not shown your powers. And for you to allow Chief Uzoka to come over to show you how to run the affairs of your family is demeaning this throne. Uzoka is an authority, yes, but he's not the king.
Ichiokaka. I was just keeping quiet because Uzoka is a titled man and a prominent member of my cabinet. But I'll use my powers. Only wanted you to know what happened in my palace.
And I might as well beg for that girl to be set free. When a madman is pointing at somewhere, many things are in his or her mind.
That daughter of Okekuno, who entered my palace and fought my daughter, must sleep in that cell for 3 days without food and water. Let me see the powers of Uzoka.
Study right.
I have spoken, and so shall it be.
Please, I'm missing my way. I want to go to Uzoka's house.
What's happened to you?
They even locked me up these 3 days. And I want to see my sister.
Yeah. Are you to get our ego locked up? I mean, are you Nena's sister?
Yes.
Chumo. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! What's happening to you? Somebody help!
Onye ga-ekwe nke ọ na-ekwu
Nana! Nana!
What is it? Your sister just fainted. Whose sister? Your sister. Road. She's lying there. I don't know if she's dead or not. Hey! My sister. Chimo! Wait! Chimo! What happened to her? Could it be she got herself and left for it for what?
I don't know. Even the sister was so confused. We searched to some extent and I left them.
Huh. Then nothing happened to that girl. I'm sure she must have decided to go home.
Maybe.
I hope nothing happens to her. I just hope nothing happens to her.
What are you waiting for? Eh? Run! Go to Hike community. If she's not there, then there's a problem.
But what sort of thing is this now? Could it be that she escaped from the palace and they rearrested her again?
Just go. Go! I will do the investigation myself. Just start going.
Okay, Papa.
You both want me to stop being her friend. Chekwe, is this a trick to know if you are still friends, eh? Naya can't wound. Look, see, I'm a gentleman. Once I get a warning, I desist.
Listen, this is not a trick. We have been looking for her since morning. We don't know where she is. I think she's missing.
Missing? One year look cannot miss. Although I have not seen her. Did you check at home?
Yes, we did. She's not at home.
Let me try and see if I will see her. She can't miss. She can't be missing.
Biko, please, if you see her,
Just tell her her sister is looking for her, please.
Sure, I will.
Thank you, Osrai, please. I'm really sorry about the other day.
There's no problem.
Thank you.
Did you check here?
That means there's problem. There's problem. She's not in the palace. I have done my inquiry.
Where on earth could 1 year ago be? Hey. My only sister.
Greetings, my elder. You're welcome. Father.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Elders of Imizo land, I greet you.
You're welcome. You are a true daughter of your father. Serving in Great Shrine has been the duty of your family, right from the days of our forefathers. Your grandmother could served it before passing on to your father. But then the God chose you, but you declined. You kept us in the dark for a long time. I am happy you finally accepted.
Did she just accept? Your Majesty, Ngene almost made her mad. She ran to my house and I told her to take a cock and appease it. She did, and she began to hear from the gods. Today, we now have an eye of the gods.
Danger hovering all over this palace. Danger. Danger! Igwe, you and your entire household must be very careful.
I said it.
Call every member of your cabinet for peace. Someone is not happy. Someone is not happy because of the wrong accusation that has taken years. Igwe, you also took what belongs to an elder and gave it to a child. But no matter how long an elder raises his hands, holding that which belongs to a child, well, we all know the rest. Udo! Udo! Heed my warnings, Your Majesty. Udo! Agadi nwaye kunye nwa si akagbo ya ewo. Emem gini ne wa nwa n'ebe. Onye bụ na nwanne ya na girigiri ugwu eze.
We have all seen it. I keep singing and shouting for peace. It seems as if I was supporting someone. The only thing that makes a kingdom move forward is peaceful coexistence. Now the young woman whom the gods have opened her eyes just said it. We all have seen that Ichie Uzoka is innocent.
Is that why he's not respecting the crown king of this community?
Ichie Okaka, you should learn how to talk peace among your brothers. The young woman has agreed to serve our gods. Please let us listen to her and what she is telling us now.
I beg to take my leave, Father.
She said there is danger hovering over my palace. And I was wondering what type of danger she saw.
Maybe you have to invite her to explain some more.
What kind of danger is that? I'm sure Nena is up to something. But I will make sure she does not return to this palace.
Yes, mother.
Because I don't want anybody to come in between my daughter and father. As far as I'm alive, she will not step her foot in this palace.
Mother, I know Nena is planning something evil against me. But not for you, father, or Ikenna. But she can't do anything because I have taken over as the king's only daughter.
That's my princess.
Mother,
Ikenna.
the words of the gods must not be thrown away. Let's be careful.
What that young girl told our Igwe is nothing but the truth. Yes, that simply means that the gods have started using her. And as for the accusation level against Onowu, I knew it was not true. I mean, tell me, where would Akuafo have run to when the Igwe and his mother were after her life, if not Onowu's house? Tell me. Eh?
Obidi, we know all this. But the eye of the gods has told us to embrace peace and told the Igwe that Uzoka was accused for nothing.
Oh.
Then we have to sit with the king for peace resolutions. That's what I've just seen here.
Did he just say peace resolution?
Yes, of course.
What then happens to that innocent girl that was sent out of the palace just the way her late mother was sent out? If there's going to be any peace process, you have to start from that innocent girl. That girl Igwe has refused to show love as a father. Yes. And as for Ono, he has bluntly refused to come to the palace. He said his good intention has been taken to be a bad one. He also said that Nena has left the palace. Akuafo's daughter, Nena's younger sister, that was locked up for days without food, is missing. Rumors reaching us says she fainted on the road. Yes, she has not been found. So I don't really know where this peaceful resolution will start from.
Hey. You mean Uzoka told you that he won't be coming to the palace anymore?
He was not having food in his mouth when he told me. And I heard that Igwe wants to see us tomorrow. So let's go and see him and find out what he wants to see us
No.
for. Huh?
Let us go and see Ono. Let me talk to him myself.
Yes. No problem. Let's go.
Elders, for Onowu to say that he's not coming to this meeting, it's not right. Whatever may have been the issue.
But you know he's not happy with Igwe. So that is one of the reasons.
Father! Father, my mother is dying.
Hey!
She's coughing out blood.
What is it? Father is not fine again.
Father, are you alright?
Guards! Guards, will you all come here?
My elders.
Did you hear what the prince just said? He said Lolo too is coughing blood.
Worst? What must have been the case? This is strange.
I told you all to make peace and avoid the danger ahead. When the gods give warning, it comes with thunder. Where is the king?
Let's go, all is well.
The Iroku has fallen.
Hey! Yes, no. The elephant has gone down.
Umuitu has lost its king. I shall consult the gods. The gods will reveal the mystery of this sudden death. Father is dead.
What really happened?
It was the food they ate last night.
You and your sister didn't eat from the same food?
No, we didn't.
The king and his wife were poisoned.
Hey! Hey! Hey, what have done?
No! Father!
Hey!
Father!
What have done?
Father! The Iroku has fallen. The Iroku has fallen.
Ugochi, please tell me, who must have poisoned the king? Because I heard that the king and the wife were coughing out blood till they died. If you ask me, this is not ordinary.
Okay, this is somehow. How possible is it that somebody will poison the king? Now the question is, how did the person get access to the king's pot? Not to talk of Aferoje.
Well, if you ask me, the person that did this must be an insider. He must be there in that palace. But come to think of it, Nnenna is no longer in the palace. The king sacked all the maidens of Raforo. The guards, they don't have access to the king's kitchen. So, how come Kodonye Panaloa?
Are you asking me? That is to say that the princess must hear from the gods.
Hey.
Because this issue is a very big one.
Very big one.
Umu is a king. Dead. Ikedu oyi na atukwamo.
Otokarekwamo. Hey, this is abomination. Abomination. Hey.
Nina, Uzgo, you cannot be crying for a man that doesn't love and care for you. A father that took your position and gave it to your younger sister. Nina, a father that hated you and made you a slave. It's okay, stop crying. Nina, let me ask you a question. Have you seen your sister? You don't even know if she's dead or alive. And you're here crying for a man that is not worth it. Eko, no. Ozugo, please stop crying. Please. Nina, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying now. It's alright. Nina, stop crying. It's okay. Nina, it's okay. It's alright.
Here we are, with two dead bodies of Igwe and his wife lying down in the palace. How do we go moving forward? Shall we fold our hands and let them decay?
Kaka, the king cannot be buried without the presence of Ono. So we have to wait for them to return before we bury them.
I suggest we allow the local mortician to keep their bodies for burial till tomorrow, so that our Umada will come and see him this night. Before then, Ono must have come back from his journey. I am aware you went to tell some people about the missing Akwafo's younger daughter in Ibite.
Shall we bury both of them together?
What? That has never been done. And we cannot start that now. We can't start that now. We have to wait for Ono to come back so that we can decide on that. Meanwhile, let's look for the youth to dig the grave. That is the most important thing to do now.
Exactly.
Yes, let's look for the youth to dig the grave.
Igwe, hey, I remain a Buddha. Hey, whoever did this must never go unpunished. Never. Hey!
Igwe is always having problems with the Ono. And for the king to be poisoned.
So, what are you trying to say?
Are you not in this community? Who doesn't know that you know does not like our king? Are you not aware of what the king did to his daughter, Nkechi? So who else would have poisoned the king? I will never believe that Nena will have the mind to poison her father, no matter what.
Igwe might not be the target. Maybe it's unfortunate he ate with his wife.
You are right. All I know is that it won't take long. Everything will be exposed.
Akiko, our priestess has just begun. Unlike her father, who would have consulted the gods and measured whoever that did that. I don't have sympathy for the Lolo because she's not a good woman. I don't like her. She came and brought division between daughter and father. A good mother should have taken Nena as her own daughter.
You are right.
Now the king and his wife are buried. I must let you know that you're no more a child. This throne belongs to this family. But some people are trying to tear it apart. Your father fought a great war before he could be crowned a king. For the issue of your late father and his first wife brought too much hatred among the cabinet members. As we speak now, there is going to be a great war.
What do I do?
You must go to the priestess and ask her to tell you who killed your parents. Now you are going to be crowned a king. And you must be careful about some people like Chief Uzoka and Obidi. These two men must know what happened in this palace a few days.
I shall go and see the priestess.
That's my man. That's my man.
As for Ichie Uzoka and Obidi, I will take my revenge.
That's my man, yes.
An eye for an eye only leads to more blindness. It is a peculiar quality for a fool to perceive the fault of others and forgets his own. What you seek is not in your position. The revenge you wish to take will mar you. The gods do not want to hear you speak. The throne is also far from you. Since you could not use your senses and bring unity amongst your siblings. Leave. Leave because the gods are not happy with you and your sister.
I don't understand, priestess.
Don't worry. You will understand when the time comes. Speak no more and leave! But remember, an eye for an eye leads to more blindness.
I believe the young girl will come back. Or do we go and verify from the gods? You see, Igwe's death is mysterious. And who knows if the gods took away his life because of the disappearance of the girl?
Ichie Okafo, are you sure you are thinking well this day? Oh yes. Were you not there when the priestess said the Igwe and his wife were poisoned? The gods may not have poisoned the Igwe. I will suggest we visit the priestess to find out if Wanyego is still alive.
Her sister doesn't sleep at night.
I know.
The only sister she has. I made a promise to the mother that I will take care of Nenna till she grows and get married. That is why my daughter and I keep on defending her. Now, the Igwe is dead. He's dead and buried. Who are we going to ask the whereabouts of the young girl? Somebody saw her when she fainted along the road. Where then is the young girl?
In that case, we must also summon the guards and ask them some questions.
That is if they are still at the palace. Yes.
Elders of Umizo land, I welcome you.
Thank you. Thank you. Please, Eye of the Gods, we are here to find out where Akwafo's last child from the Hite community is. She has been missing since she left the palace cell. We have searched and searched, but couldn't find her.
Does an elephant give birth to a python? Does a wolf beget a sheep? I can only tell you the things happening around Umuizo kingdom. The young woman you seek is not from this land, so I will not ask the gods about her.
Priestess, you're right. Ego is from Ihite community. But her mother is from this land. She got missing in this land. Remember, when a person is being pursued from his or her father's land, he or she runs to the mother's kinsmen for protection.
That is very true. But the said girl was not happy with the late king. She was not happy with the way the late king treated her. She was not happy with the late king and this community. No one from this community came to her aid where she was locked up for 3 days without food and water. Gwamoku ngene gwamoku ife kwuru ka m ga-ekwu. Tell her sister to go to Ihite community and appease the gods on her behalf. Then, if there is anything else you want me to say, we shall discuss further.
Thank you, Eye of the Gods. I will send my daughter to bring you my white cock, which is a symbol of entrance to the shrine.
I do not want your white cock. The gods are not happy with you. The gods are not happy with the way the king and the wife died. A royal taboo! Oh no! Who poisoned the king?
Did you hear what she asked Onu?
Yes, I heard. I'm not deaf, not dumb.
Could it be that those little quarrels between Onu and Igwe has gotten to the extent of our late Igwe being poisoned?
I don't want to think about that now. Thinking about it could trigger my ill head. But one thing I know is that the gods of our land does not lie. Or could it be that that young woman has not started seeing clearly?
Okay, let me go to my house first.
Okafor, you've not answered my question. Okafor, are you going?
So you mean there has been no trace of her around this village?
At all, no trace. I even told people about it. But still, no one has seen her. I do wake up in the middle of the night to check if she came to our hut. Still, I can't find her.
Okay. Can you take me to the shrine, please?
Shrine? Which shrine?
The head shrine of this community. I want to find out something.
Oh, okay, in that case, my father is the chief priest.
Oh.
Yes.
That's better. Please, let's go.
Let's go.
This way.
Ngene does not like war or quarrels. I do not want you to say that thing you had in mind. Keep it to yourself. The throne of Umuizo land is shaking. The throne of Umuizo land is shaking. And if care is not taken, it will move from where it is today. Go and tell them to make peace.
But also came to know if it is true that Onowu was supposed to be poisoning the king. She said that you should make peace before royalty should return to your family.
What kind of peace? Because she did not say it the way I will understand it.
Then go back to her and plead with her to find out from God what kind of peace she will take. Or are you afraid of her? Remember that your father was not a direct son of this family. So taking away royalty from here is very easy. I was the closest friend of your family, and that's why I'm doing all this.
Papa, he said she is alive and will come back when the road is clear.
But he did not tell me what he meant by that language.
It could mean a lot of things. The most important thing is that she's alive.
But where could she be?
What you're asking for is very simple. Assemble all the elders. Speak your mind. Someone must sit on that throne before the king's nest of Fala. Since your father was allowed to sit on that throne, you can sit there too. As for the person who poisoned the king, the person has a link to the palace. But the gods are watching. The gods know the face behind the masks. The gods shall reveal the truth after due consultations with the elders. But
if your father's first daughter does not first sit on that throne. Whoever sits there must die. It's a tradition of Imuizo. Did you see the Umuada converge before the king was buried?
But priestess,
Prince, that means that whoever poisoned a whole king and his wife is not far from Uzoka and his daughter. See, that girl has a very wicked mind. I must tell you, she did not forgive that punishment. And we are here. We must find out who has the courage to poison a whole king and his wife. Then again, without Nana, you are out of the throne, and the royalty will be moved from your family. Something I won't be alive to see.
what do I do?
Where is she?
I don't know where she is.
Then go and find her and beg her to forgive you. Take your sister with you. If not, I'm afraid, my prince.
When I was telling you to stop doing all those things to Nenna, you took my words for nothing. Do you see it now? You and your sister think life ends in being a prince and a princess.
And that is why I still come to you. I need to see her. Even if they want to take the throne, fine. But let me tender an apology to my sister. I don't know why my father hated her. I shouldn't have joined them. Honestly, I am regretting all my actions on her.
And what about your sister, Uloma, the princess?
Please, just forget about those ones. Uloma has seen that not all that glitters is gold.
Well, Nena has been in Onowuzoka's house with her friend Nkechi. I advise you forget about the rumors, all the rumors concerning your father's death, and bring your sister home.
I will not forgive the one that poisoned our parents, unless the gods will not expose the idiot.
That one will come on its own. But know that exposing the person is not for us to take revenge. We need to see Nena and ask her to forgive us.
Why?
That's what the gods said. We tend to lose this royalty if we don't do that. The royalty and throne don't even mean anything to me anymore. I just want to see Nena and ask her to forgive me. I just want to see my sister whom I've wronged for nothing.
Uloma and Ikena sold out shame to come ask me for forgiveness after they subjected me to so much ill treatment with their mother. Uloma, my own sister. needed the title of the princess badly, that she never wanted to share it with anyone. She lied against me. She insulted me. Started carrying herself so high that she almost became a god in this community. Iken has slapped me severally just because he had the protection of my father. Papa, I don't want to live in that palace anymore. I don't want the palace. I don't want the title of a princess. They should keep it. I don't want it. In fact, they should first go and look for one Yego who never did anything to Uloma. My sister suffered so much because of her.
I know it will come to this point. They came to ask you to forgive them so that you can be crowned the king. Ichio Kaka must have told him what to do. He never bothered to come and see me, the owner of this community. That was what I was telling his father. But he kept deaf ears until he died. Nena, without you, there is no throne. Without you, there is no crown. There won't be any royalty in that family at all.
When I was saying that calamity will fall on the palace, they thought I was joking. Now see. Well, it's remaining those stupid guards that flogged me. But they will surely get theirs whenever I see them. Oh.
Nkechi, you talk too much. You talk too much.
Papa, please leave me alone. Rapumaka, I do not spare whoever that looks for my trouble. Papa, I know how long it took the bruises they inflicted on my body to heal. I know the pains that I went through. Well, I've not started with them. This is just the beginning. Ikenna, Uloma. Oh, I'm beginning to like this.
I called you all my elders to ask for forgiveness to whoever I've wronged. And also help me speak to my sister Nena to return to the palace. I've gone to Onowo's house, but she refused to listen to me. I know I and my younger sister deeply offended her. But all I ask for is peace. I do not want to be the king. I do not want the throne anymore. All I want is peace. All I want is my sister return to this palace, so that we'll live in peace. My father was a good man, but he listened to my late mother and my younger sister so much and made a lot of mistakes. I do not want that.
You have spoken well, my son. Since you have realized that your blood is more important than the throne, that means you have really understood the importance of brotherhood.
Are you telling us, elders, that you are not interested in the throne?
Yes. I believe I am no more a child, and I am not contesting the throne with anybody. I want peace. I want to have my sister back to the palace. Whoever that is interested should take it.
This is incredible. This calls for a peaceful resolution. For all mistakes and misunderstandings, chiefs, elders, I call for forgiveness and ask you to join to go and see Nana and apologize to her.
I will speak to her on everyone's behalf, since he said he's not interested in the throne. I will talk to her. No problem.
Welcome, my princess.
How are you doing, Nedi?
I'm fine, my princess.
Well, Iyoma, I came to ask for your forgiveness. I know you're still very angry, so please just forgive me and let's forget everything.
It's okay. We all are the same. There's no need of bearing grudges, so we are fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not a sweat. Please come and join us.
No, thank you. I'm not hungry.
Are you serious? Are you sure?
Come on, join us.
Well, I'll be on my way now.
Take care.
He really felt bad. I made a promise to the elders that I will talk to you. And I assured them of your forgiveness. No matter what, you are the first daughter of Igwe Omenife. I was waiting to see how he will be crowned a king without you endorsing it first. But all he said was that he wants you to forgive him and his sister Uloma. So please, forgive them. They are your brother and sister.
Papa, what would I have done without you? How could I have survived if not for your persistent fight and protection?
I will always stand and hear your voice telling my father to leave me alone. If not for you and for my sister Nkechi, what would have been my fate? Dalu.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The gods will keep you. I have heard what you said. I will forgive Ikena and Uloma. They are my younger ones. Papa. As for him being crowned king, I don't know.
Do you know that the palace is on fire as we speak?
This palace, how?
Since the Igwe died now, there has been serious issue about his son ascending the throne.
How?
Because of what they did to that beautiful woman. And I think that Onowu is trying to take over the rulership of this kingdom.
But that's not possible. I don't think it is possible for Onowu to take over the rulership of this kingdom when there is a male child in that family. He can as well ascend the throne. Unless he wants to give Onowu to hold forth for him until he's fully ready.
Let me ask you, have they found who poisoned the king?
Do I look like Ugomma?
Ugomma? Who is Ugomma?
Ugomma the priestess now. So you have suddenly forgotten her name? Or is it because of her new office in the shrine?
You know that I love that girl and had wanted to marry her. But the gods chose her. Since they chose her to be their eye, I don't think I will marry her again because I don't want somebody that will be seeing everything that I'm doing.
Because you know what you're doing. Leave that one, you don't want somebody that will see everything you're doing.
But this king issue,
Welcome to my house. To what do we owe this rare visit? Seeing the representatives of the gods.
You owe me nothing but a promise.
And what could that be?
The princess of Umuizu kingdom. You and Nkechi should leave us. Oh no, faith is the bed that feels the light when the dawn is still dark. There is a message from the gods. You are mandated to bring the elders, the prince, his sister Uloma, your daughter, the princess of Umuizu kingdom, her sister Wanyego, and yourself to the shrine in the next 2 market days.
I will not doubt the message from the gods. But Wanyego has been missing.
That's the message from the gods.
Nkechi, you people should come and see. Come and see. Come and see.
Where have you been? We searched everywhere for you.
Take her inside, take her inside. Give her some water, give her some water.
I was about dying when a man and his son came along and helped me. He carried me on his back. The next thing, I saw myself in a hut in another community. He started treating my bruises. He was feeding me. He took good care of me. The gods will never forgive the king, and I will never forgive him for what he did to me.
Who is this man? So that I will go and thank him.
His name is Amani from Iroquois land. He's a nice man. He said I will not leave until my bruises get healed.
May the gods bless him.
He even promised me that he will come and see the king to tell him to stop punishing young girls like he did to me.
So late. You shouldn't bother.
No. He's a strong man like Papa here. Yes. And he was very angry when I narrated everything that the king did to me. And he said he must come and see the king.
The king is dead.
How? When? How? What happened? What? Chimo! Hey! Chimo!
Himself and his wife. Well, they have been buried.
Hey! I'm so sorry about that. Almost have poisoned the king and his wife. Who? Why?
Chulu.
Hey!
Are you feeling sorry for them?
Hi.
Uloma should have eaten from the poison. You are feeling sorry for a king that does not see any evil in his evil daughter. The so-called Her Majesty. If for that king, he deserved to die.
No.
And I don't have any apology for that. Ona Asim, no.
No, please don't say that. No. We know he wasn't a good king and a good father, but he doesn't deserve to die.
There. Remaining Uloma.
Ikechi.
Kiriyo, what is it?
Hey. Why would the king die?
Damn, you there! Why will it happen? What is it?
Ikechi.
Do you want to join them? No, just tell me if you want to join them. Papa Guinea.
Greatest. That is Ugomma.
Ugomma.
Ugomma, no. Don't you know my Ugomma? What kind of question is this? Why did the gods choose this beautiful maiden upon her other two brothers? They insisted that she will serve them. Because Mukwami Yojo, so humbly. Can't you see how she greeted us?
Iked, do you know your problem? And if I hear that you go mag from your mouth, I don't want gone. Why did you not go to this girl to tell her that you love her before the gods chose her? Why did you not? Late. You can go and profess your love to her now before other men will take her from you.
I should go and profess my love to her. Somebody that the gods has chosen.
And
what
so?
If the gods say no?
How can you stand here now and conclude that the gods will say no? Go to her first and tell her that you love her. Who knows, now that she's not putting on her princess gown, she might give you a nice hug.
Hey! Hey! I'm trying to imagine it. She will give me a hug. Udochi, if Ugoma hugs me, I will faint.
You will not faint now.
I will faint.
Don't faint now. What you need to do is go to her and tell her what I've just told you.
Hey! But wait, oh. So, we will marry the princess and the priestess, Nana and Ugochi.
That is what I'm thinking about first. The two girls are very beautiful. And you know one thing I like about God, eh? God just bring one ugly man like you. Then bring one beautiful girl like this girl that just passed and match the two of them together. So that when they have kids, their kids will be sellable. Do you understand? So you can imagine me and my own. Think about our kids.
Who is ugly? Am I no more handsome than you? Eh?
No to Ede.
I'm even taller than you. Eh?
Are
you taller than me?
Man, I can go.
Ikamogo.
I can go.
Ikamogo. Ikamogo.
Let's go and plan the thing.
I have a message from the gods. The message is for all of you standing before the great Ngene. Whoever that kills a king must die. One of you. One of you standing here poisoned the king. And the gods have decided that the person must be killed. Inasmuch as the king was not a good father. Oh no! The prince has asked Nena for forgiveness. And as we all know, that Ngene Shrine stands for peace and to move this community forward. The prince should be crowned. Nena is the princess of Umuizu Kingdom. Oloma should serve the princess for 1 year. No maiden should be allowed in the palace within the period of her service. Let it be known that revenge is not a passion. It's a disease. It eats the mind and poisons the soul. You do not have a forgiving spirit. Hence, you have the mind to do what you did.
My father. He sent his guards to inflict severe pain on the only man I have. He made me an orphan. He made my sister a slave in her father's house. The gods should have mercy on me. He never scolded Uloma, his daughter, who beat me up because I came to see my only sister. Was he a good king? Was he? He ordered his guards to arrest me and kept me in the palace cell for 3 good days without food or water. If nobody helped of a father and a son, I would have been dead. What did I do to him? What did I do to the king? What did my mother do to him? What did his own first blood do to him? Knowing in a shrine is not partial. I did what I did out of heartbreak. I did what I did out of heartbreak.
It was my fault.
I caused
lost everything. I'm to be blamed. Please. Have mercy on her. Please.
Those who create their own drama deserves their own karma. While seeking for revenge, you dig 2 graves. You must dig one for yourself. For poisoning the king and queen of Umuzo kingdom, you must die.
Oh, please. Please.
Do not fight for the gods.
Do
not fight for the gods.
Please. Don't go. Please.
You may
don't go. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Papa, please do something. Papa, do something. Papa, please.